The Lorax is one of those few Dr. Seuss books that has been adapted extremely well into film. There's a ton of gags in the 2012 release that appeal to not only kids, but also adults, as there's a clear environmental message coupled with consumerism satire. One of these goofy gags culminates in the part where the Lorax, voiced by Danny DeVito, gets disappointed with the Onceler and leaves by flying into the sky. However, he does so by lifting his own tail, which beautifully demonstrates a bit of troll comic logic. At any rate, it would appear the first person to take advantage of this bit is Agent Mango Man on the 15th of April this year, slightly speeding up the original scene in order to make it easier to digest. Naturally, this overly labelled structure has become a simple parody of the type of content one might find in the social media wild, wherein a creator might take great pains to label every little action taking place in a meme. Hence, almost every single little character is labelled in the Lorax Is Leaving. And almost every iteration of this trend is coupled with the Christmas Kids 2015 banger Roar, demonstrating how a nearly 10-year-old song can be paired with an 11-year-old film and have the both of them be relevant in present day due to the internet's ability to never let anything truly die. However, what makes this format truly pop is its further parody of overlabeled content by importing another piece to the puzzle. Instead of the Lorax having text over it that would normally describe it as a part of the creator's world, every meme has the Lorax being labelled as itself, implying the creature actually exists within the world of artists who reference the film. This is something that has been pointed out several times by creators through the meme in a method that feels quite meta, given the fact that these clips have become so insanely widespread across mainstream areas of the internet. One of the major differences between the film and the book is the fact that the book portrayal of the Onceler is far more spooky. We only ever get to see his long green arms and the rest of him is covered in shadow, unlike the happy and charming version in the film. As such, perhaps the filmmakers decided to make the Onceler human instead of some sort of Dr. Seuss monster, in order to make him a more sympathetic villain. Plus, another fun fact is that it's set in the same universe as Despicable Me, so the main character Ted is wearing Gru's shoes. At any rate, the Lorax Is Leaving is one of those bits that expertly satirizes the state of meme culture by calling out its propensity to overlabel much of its content, and by doing just that in terms of just titling the Lorax, it achieves a critical meta-commentary on its own artistic merit. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.